Hi everyone, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades of dedication on database and analytic technologies, I'm here to provide you the complete insight into my Power BI training program. Let's understand more details about it. Power BI trainings, projects, placements are always in good demand. Let's understand what is Power BI, what we are going to learn in my step-by-step classes, what kind of projects we are going to get for our resume, and the kind of one-to-one mentorship in my training program. Let's get started. My Power BI training classes is full of AI and Copilot. Let's understand what is Power BI first and what kind of job roles we can expect in Power BI, how this is going to benefit your resume and your career. Let's get started slowly, step by step. What is Power BI? It's a suite of analytic tools. For what? To design and report any kind of data. Yes, Power BI is just to paint your data, present your data in the form of dashboards. Power BI reports can be hosted either in your company's data center as well as in cloud. In my training classes, I'm going to teach you step by step on all these aspects. In Power BI training program that we offer, we involve in practical hands-on with respect to various data sources. To get the data into Power BI, we can have Excel data sources, files, PDF files, text files, CSV, AVRO, Parquet, JSON, XML, so on. We can also have Power BI reports from databases, data warehouses, OLAP, and HTAP data structures. In our training program, we have all these examples for your resume to make you job ready. Trust me, the things are very simple, straightforward, at the same time very useful. In our training program on Power BI, we are going to have the complete hands-on with respect to advantages, licensing and pricing, easy shortcuts and tips for your job, very user-friendly activities and customizations of the tools. And we are going to learn how to optimize Power BI, very rare item searching online. In my classes, in our classes, either myself, I'll be the trainer for limited schedules because of my time constraints, and we have other trainers as well helping me to deliver the job for you. All our trainers will be following the same content, same curriculum, very unique and out of the box scenarios with project work. Our Power BI training class includes cloud reporting activities as well with AI integrations. What more? What kind of job roles you can opt for? Yes, from our Power BI detailed training program, you can opt for developer, BI developer, data analyst, business analyst, and Power BI developer activities, including MS BI development, Cloud BI development, and data engineers also have good advantages with this training program. My detailed Power BI training classes are very helpful for anyone, everyone who really wanted to master Power BI. Majority cases, Power BI projects are very well known in big data, healthcare, and finance domain. Of course, it's not limited to these domains, but these are few with good amount of market share. So starters can enjoy my Power BI classes. Experienced developers, IT non-IT professionals, administrators, consultants, architects, anyone, everyone, I have a use case scenario ready for you that suits your existing profile. Trust me, the Power BI is very amazing technology, lot of tools, lot of techniques for our job work. In our Power BI training classes, we divided the entire course into multiple modules. Module 1 MS SQL queries, Module 2 Power BI, Module 3 AI Copilot, Module 4 real-time projects. Out of all these four, Module 3 is recommended for experienced profiles. everyone go for module 1, 2 and of course 4 common. That module 3 real-time project with AI Copilot add-ons are highly recommended for experienced profiles. And here is the detailed course content. A unique, carefully curated content that will not find anywhere else, damn sure about it. The content, the quality, the depth of the subject is what is driving us day in, day out. See you there in my live class. Thank you so much and wish you all the very, very best. The keyword checklist you see on my screen is a detailed course content from our 100% hands-on activities. Please see if you can take a screenshot. It's surely going to help you. Either you learn the subject from us or from anywhere else, this 150 keywords checklist activity will surely help you a lot for making yourself job ready. If you are looking for a zero compromise training program, we are here the best. We will do our best. Thank you so much and see you there in our actual live classes. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice time.